Hi folks, Dr. Jeffrey Roth here, your board certified plastic surgeon in Las Vegas, Nevada, and we're in the OR today. We love the OR. We have a super nice patient we're operating on today. We only operate on nice people here at Las Vegas Plastic Surgery. Okay, so what are we doing today? We're doing a tummy tuck, otherwise known as a abdominoplasty, and by that we're taking off extra tissue, but we're also putting the rectus muscles back where they're supposed to be. So it's called a plication of the rectus muscle, is your six-pack. Also, we're going to do a little bit of liposuction on the back and flanks as well. Give her that snatched look, as they call it nowadays. In any case, I think she's going to have a fantastic result. Any questions about plastic surgery, aesthetic medicine, or weight loss, give us a call. And have yourself a great day.